Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is green beans. We'll be making gluten-free penne with green beans, bacon, and Parmesan, a Mediterranean-style vegetable sandwich with marinated green beans. Joining me is Dr. Jamie Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett.
Hello.
This sounds great. Let's get started.
Thank you. So we have some green beans that are cut small. Instead of blanching them ahead of time or boiling them ahead of time, we're just going to saute them in a little bit of butter.
Sure.
They really benefit well from long cooking. We're going to be pairing them with, my go-to favorite for kids, brown rice pasta, very healthy gluten-free pasta. Just some really simple, nice diced tomatoes. These were actually even out of my garden. They're cherry tomatoes.
They look great.
We have some turkey bacon, and we're going to finish with some Parmesan. So we'll let that cook a little bit on low heat.
By using the butter, it's a great way to incorporate some healthy fats into your child's diet.
Right, because it's an austere. It's not like it's a real rich dish, So
Exactly.
you want to make it like a little bit fatty.
What vitamins can we find in green beans?
You can find vitamins A, D, and K, and it also has a lot of minerals like magnesium, folic acid, and it's a great source of fiber.
What is vitamin K and why do we need it?
Good question.
Vitamin K is actually something you're not born with. You're actually given to at birth. They give it to you in a shot, and it helps with blood clotting.
Oh, wow.
For the adult dish, we decided to do a really nice kind of summertime grilled vegetable sandwich. We're going to blanch the green beans. Blanching is a term we use in the restaurant business. It's just heavily salted water.
Okay.
And
boiling water.
Boiling water, and we're going to par cook the green beans, okay? So we'll just drop them in. Besides that, it's just going to be an assembled sandwich. We have some grilled eggplants, some zucchini, peppers, onions. We got capers, olives, some very sort of traditional French, Mediterranean, southern France ingredients.
Did you roast the vegetables?
I just sliced them, salt, peppered them, brushed them with olive oil, and grilled them.
Great. They look
Okay.
great.
We have some hard-cooked egg. We have some basil leaves. We have some nice basil oil. I have a little aioli. This is a tarragon aioli. We're going to put on the bottom of the bread. So I think why don't we start assembling the sandwiches while we're waiting for the vegetables to cook. I think let's put our aioli on the bottom.
Okay.
And then we're going to start assembling with our grilled vegetables. Okay. I'm going to put my tomatoes in. The tomatoes will let out some of the juice and really kind of let the cook with the green beans and create almost like a little sauce for them. Turkey bacon, it was par cooked already, so I just chilled it and sliced it. So there you go. I tossed the pasta in. We're going to put another piece of butter in, and I think that's almost ready. We're just going to turn that down and let it kind of all cook together. Let's put a little more aioli on the bread. You put the aioli on one side? Mm-hmm. Okay, good.
Yep.
All right, let's put our basil leaves on top. We can probably stack them nicely on there. Okay, and I think these are good. So the good thing about these sandwiches is you can make them ahead of time, wrap them up, and just keep them in your fridge, cut them when you need them, because they really do benefit from that kind of like over-marinated flavor for them. The flavors develop. So we have this nice basil pesto oil. It's really delicious. We put a little balsamic. Okay, we'll put a little salt, pepper in there. Yep. So let's put these on. We'll put them right on this side, right here. Put some hard-boiled egg on it. Every time I put capers, I always think olives too. They go so well together.
Right.
We put our basil leaves, and then our last thing we want to do is dress a little arugula. We could dress it in the same marinade that we have for the green beans.
Now that's a sandwich.
That is an awesome sandwich. And then I think our
Are we
pasta
ready for
looks
the
really
pasta?
yeah, it looks really nice. So let's finish with the Parmesan on top of the pasta. I love this brown rice pasta too. It's so delicious. It's really got a nice texture. Delish.
That is delicious.
And pass you a sandwich.
The turkey bacon.
Thank you.
Tomatoes.
It's full of
that's
so much
delicious.
flavor. Yeah.
Autumn.
Cheers, everybody.
It's a nice healthy eating. It's really good.
So great.
Delicious.
Great, easy recipe.
So flavorful.
So delicious.